Okay, nandito pa rin tayo sa conics at ang ating topic ay ellipse with vertex at 0, 0. A squared is greater than B squared. So, pag yung A squared is on the squared variable x, pahiga yung ellipse natin. Dito sa kabila, yung A squared natin, kasi ito yung mas malaki, at under siya sa squared variable y, yung ating ellipse ay patayo. So, tatandaan lang lagi, titingnan alin yung mas malaki. Nasa x squared ba? O nandun ba sa y squared? Pag nasa x squared, pahiga. Pag nasa y squared, patayo. Tingnan natin itong x squared over 25 plus y squared over 9 is equal to 1. Okay, so i-graph natin yung x squared over 25 plus y squared over 9 equals 1. So our center is 0, 0. And then, so 25 is bigger than 9. So our A squared equals 25. And our B squared equals 9. So therefore, our A equals 5. And our B equals 3. Then, to get the value of C, so we have C squared equals A squared minus B squared. So C squared equals 25 minus 9. So C squared equals 16. So C equals 4. So then, center natin ay 0, 0. Ito yung center. And then, from the center, our A is 5. So, bibilang lang tayo dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, dito rin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ito na yung ating B sub 1. At ito yung ating B sub 2 or the vertices, our vertices. This is our major axis and our B is 3. So, 1, 2, 3. So, 1, 2, 3. And then, our C is 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this is our focus. And this is another focus. So, F sub 1, F sub 2. Then, this is our co-vertex, W sub 1, W sub 2. So, the latus rectum or our LR is 2B squared over A. So, it is equal to 2 times our B squared is 9 all over our A is 5. So, it is equal to 18 over 5 or approximately our latus rectum is 2b squared over a. So 2 times 9 over 5. So 18 over 5, or approximately 3.6 or 3.6. So from focus 1, so 3.6 divide by 2. So the length of our latus rectum is 3.6. So half of LR is 1 point. So 3.6. The length of the latus rectum is 2b squared over a. So it is equal to 2 times 9 divided by 5. So 18 over 5, and it is approximately, or it is equal to, so it is equal to 3.6, and half of LR is 1.8. So from the focus, so we have 1.8, this is 2, so somewhere here, and this here 1, so this 1. So we can now draw our ellipse. So our vertex is 0, 0. Our center, sorry, the center is 0, 0. Our vertices b sub 1 is negative 5, 0. And our b sub 2 is 5, 0. Our minor or co-vertex W1 or W sub 1 is 0, 0, 3. W sub 2 is 0, negative 3. Our focus is negative 4, 0. And other focus natin ay 4, 0. So the length of major axis is 10. Length of minor axis is 6. Then focal distance is 3. Okay? Okay, let's have x squared over 4 plus y squared over 16 equals 1. So again, the center is 0, 0. So, ang a natin ay 16. So, 16 is bigger than 4. So, our a squared equals 16. So, a equals 4. And b squared equals 4. So, our b equals 2. Then, c squared equals a squared minus. So, minus. So, a squared minus b squared. So, c equals square root of 16 minus b squared is 4. So, c equals square root of 12. And it is approximately 3.5. So, the length of latus rectum para ma-graph natin is 2b squared over a. So, we have 2 times 4 all over a. And our a is 4. So, we have 2. So, the length of our latus rectum is 2. So, let us graph. So, So we have y squared equals 60. So the parabola is vertical. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4 is our vertex 1, is our vertex 2, and then from 0, 0 or from the center, we have b equals 2, 1, 2. So this is our W1, W sub 1. And then, so the focus is 3.5. So 1, 2, 3.5. So 3.5. Then LR is 2. So so 2 divided by half of LR is 1. So 1, so 1. Dito din 1, 1. So pwede na nating i-drawing. So dadaan dito, drawing there. So this is our LR and this one. So we have center, vertices, so 0, 4, and 0, negative 4. Co-vertices, 2, 0, and negative 2, 0. Our focus, 0, 3.5, and 0, negative 3.5. This one. So, okay, so the length of major axis is 8. The length of minor axis is 4. Focal distance is 3.5. So, pag meron naman tayong 16x squared plus 25y squared equals 400. So, makikita nyo na hindi siya standard form. So, dapat ang standard form natin ay x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1. Or pwede rin nandito yung a and b. So, kailangan 1 dito. So, di-divide natin to sa 400. Divide sa 400. Yan. So, 16 over 400 becomes x squared over 25 plus y squared. So, 25 over 400 is 16 equals 1. So we nasa format na tayo ng nasa form na tayo ng standard form ng equation. So here meron na tayong 25 is greater than 16. So yung ellipse natin ay pahiga or horizontal. So a squared equals 25 and then a equals 5. Again, b squared equals 16. So, b equals 4. So, c equals square root of a squared minus b squared. So, c equals 25 minus 16. So, c equals square root of 9. So, c equals 3. And then, pwede na natin i-graph. Okay? So, same procedure na lang doon sa ginawa